June 2012 Q3, question 3, pretty standard, pretty nice differentiation product rule here. So we've got two parts. I've got u equals x cubed and I've got v equals ln x. So du by dx, differentiating, we get 3x squared, and differentiating the ln x, we get 1 over x. The product rule is these v du dx, these two things times together, plus these two things times together, x cubed times 1 over x. And actually this is actually finished. We're all done there, 2 marks. You can tidy it up if you want to, but we've got an x cancelling here, so we're getting an x squared there. So dy by dx equals that bit there. 2 marks for the start there. Now, what are we going to do? We've now got to find a tangent, so we need 3 values for a tangent. We've got that the x number is e. Let's find out what the y number is. The y number is putting an e in here. So we're going to get e cubed times by ln e. Of course, ln e is just going to be 1, so we got e cubed. And we also need a gradient. Our gradient, our dy by dx, means putting the e in this thing here then. So we've got 3 lots of e squared times the ln of e plus another e squared. As we just said, ln of e is 1, so you've got 3 e squareds and another e squared, making it 4 e squareds. Now we've got all the numbers. Let's just go for our y. Take away the y number equals gradient x, take away the x number. And unless I've been told to rearrange it, I'm stopping there. Last part. This tangent intersects the x-axis at point A. So when you're crossing the x-axis, here, it's the y number that must be 0. So we're sticking in y equals 0 into this formula here. So I've got 0 minus e to the 3. Let's multiply this out now, shall we? So we've got 4 e to the 2 times x minus 4 e to the power of 3's. Yeah, sort of e squared times another e to the power of 3. Let's add this to both sides. There's currently minus e to the 3 here. Add these 4 e to the 3's will make us 3 e to the 3's equals 4 e squared x. And now just to get the x on its own, divide both sides by this. 3 e to the 3 over 4 e squared equals x. Cancel down 2 of those e's going there with 2 of those there, leaving you just 1 on the top. So we get 3e over 4 as our finished. What sort of accuracy do we want to leave? Well, they want it exact, so we just leave it there. We don't want a numerical answer, and we just leave it as 3/4 of e. Mark scheme, pretty straightforward. And examiner's report, very, very short.